Hi guys, it's your girl Blessy coming at you with another video. If you're new here, I'm Blessy, and yeah, today we are going uni shopping and I'm really excited. I am quite late to this uni shopping thing, not gonna lie to myself, but I am excited and it's happening today. I'm gonna take you guys with me, and when we come back we're gonna do a little haul and see what I actually got. So I'm really excited about this. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we made it to IKEA. Let me show y'all. Oh, can you see the sign? I'm not quite sure. But yeah, we are at IKEA and I am quite excited to get my stuff now. It took a while. It's like the 8th of September. Uni starts in a bit, so I'm just like, wait. And we are at IKEA. So yeah, I've gotten a few stuff already. I'm not gonna lie to myself or to y'all, but yeah, I'm not gonna show you anything yet because I'm gonna do a haul after this. So yeah, we'll have to wait till we get home. So make sure you keep on watching. And yeah, I'm going through every single section because I don't really know what I wanna get. But yeah, see you guys soon. Hi guys, I am back and it is the day after because yesterday there was a lot going on. Obviously, like a lot of shopping, went to different stores, although you guys probably only saw IKEA in the vlog that you just saw, but hope you enjoyed it. And now we are going to find out what I bought since I didn't really show you guys, so I really hope you're excited. And over here we have little Favor, my little sister, and she wanted to be in the video as well, so she's gonna be showing you with me what we bought. And yeah, so are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not gonna be in an actual order just because like I bought different things at the same time, so it's gonna be a bit of like all over the place, but hope you like it. Yeah, and before we start, make sure you click that subscribe button. Yeah, that's it. Okay.
And thumbs up for the video and watch this whole entire video, please.
Yeah,
please
just listen to it basically. Okay, so obviously we start from the bedroom. And I bought this, what is it called? Cover duvet set. So obviously it is for your duvet, and I like the color, and that's the only reason why I bought it.
It's black.
It's not black, it's like charcoal. And then bought myself some pillowcases. The other one had pillowcases already, but obviously I'm not going to be using the same pillowcase like for the whole year. That's disgusting. And yeah, it's better to go big.
Disgusting.
Oh my days, I love this. I think this is my favorite purchase because it's like fairy lights, and I love fairy lights, and they're so cute. So that's all about fairy lights. So yeah, next item is sloth slippers, and you can explain what they are, although they're really like self-explanatory.
It says sloth light.
I think that's why she's really excited about them, but they look really cute, and that's why I picked them out. And they were in pink because I don't like pink.
I like it in gray.
Okay, that's fine then. And then there's a fitted sheet. That's to cover your mattress, I believe. I need to get like the mattress protector as well, just because I don't trust their mattresses. You don't know how many people have actually slept in mattresses beforehand, so always go clean. And if you guys watched my what to get for university video, you would know that I said I was gonna get a diffuser. I don't even know if that's what it's called. Oh, it is a diffuser. So yeah, I bought it. I bought this one. I've never actually tried this one before. Can you see it properly? I really hope so. You can. So I bought this
The
one, and I'm
box
really
is
looking
pretty.
exactly. I'm really looking forward to actually trying it out. And yeah, as you said, the box is pretty. So what is pretty catches my eye. And should we go to decorations?
Yeah,
Definitely, yeah.
because decorations is the best part.
Basically. Okay, so I'm a plant fanatic when it comes to decorations.
Yes.
So I bought quite a lot of plants. You can find these
fake.
at any store, like Primark sells them and everything, but I personally bought
IKEA.
mine. Exactly. I bought mine from IKEA just because I feel like the prices there are cheaper, and there's a wider selection of plants there, so you can get both real and fake plants. Obviously, I went
Wow.
for fake plants because I'll be looking after my studies rather than looking after plants.
Yeah.
So I bought myself a very, very long fake plant here, and I think
Fake
this one's gonna go on my shelf. What do you think?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it looks like it's just coming down.
Basically, it looks like a fountain of plants.
Yeah, and then the fountain is just
And another plant set. I don't know
Wow.
if you remember this one. Do you remember?
yeah.
Yeah. So like, this is my third plant
Those are
set.
real
I'm not quite
ones.
sure where I'm putting all these plants, to be
Let's
honest.
see, that was a real one of this.
Yeah, I know. We were going to get like a real plant set, and then I thought to myself, why?
It's gonna die.
Yeah. Who's gonna look after them?
Yeah, no one.
And then because I'm a bit like I don't even know how to describe myself. Like, I just love cute things, so I bought myself a little frame, and I'm thinking of putting a family picture in it.
Yay, that's what I was thinking about.
Yeah, exactly. But I'm not quite sure. I'll see what I put in, to be honest. This is like a plot keeper, so like it will look like this if I put it in the actual pot. So it's either like this or like this. So
Wait,
how do you
let
guys
me-
like it?
I want to try like this big one.
Yeah, try it with that.
Wow.
Oh my days, this looks so exotic. I love it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put it with this one. This one can just go the way it is. The rest of the room stuff are like literally a bin, but I can't be just bringing it out. But
It's just a
something
bin.
that I forgot to put in my must to bring list video is actually command hooks. So I bought these.
finished.
Can you see them? No, it's actually full. So they're transparent. That's why you
What?
can't see them. Yeah. So you need this for you. Like, I need these for my fairy lights, but you can actually use them to hang anything. And universities don't actually complain about them.
Nothing in there.
Yeah. So because I don't know, my uni's a bit iffy about like blue tack and everything. So I decided to go
tack.
for
Blue tack.
blue tack for command hooks, because they don't leave a mess on the wall, they don't damage the wall. So
Yeah.
that's why I went for them.
Blue tack sometimes stays
But
on the wall.
yeah, there's a lot of like room stuff here, and I'm realizing that I haven't really showed you my like, what's that thing called? Kitchen stuff. Yeah, but before we move on, I got myself a new pair of headphones. Can someone clap for me? Can someone clap? Hey, thank you. I really needed a new pair of headphones. Like, I haven't used headphones in so long. I've been using earphones instead, so the ones that go directly in your ear. So yeah, really looking forward to trying these out. C'est quoi? What's this?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Oh, it is. These are little food containers. So like,
For apples and fruits.
yeah, basically, like whenever I'm feeling to have like a nice quick little lunch outside at the library or whatever, I've got my food containers to put my food in. Or if like I've got like only 15 minutes between lectures, I thought food containers could come in handy. And then I bought 2 of these other food containers. These are all from IKEA, by the way, just in case. But the command hooks are actually from Wilco. Yeah. So this food container, why did you have to show the other one? Was it actually needed? But anyways, this one is from IKEA, obviously. And for these, I'm planning to actually just put
IKEA.
my food in there and just put in the fridge if I haven't finished it. So the other ones are for to go, and these ones
Why do they
are
call? Why does IKEA call the things?
So basically, I got myself a
Oh
pan
my gosh.
because I like making my food in pans. So like this will be used for my omelets, my mushrooms, oh yeah, I make my spinach in my kale in this. So I put like a bit of water in there. I'll just like do
Why
it
do you
here
need water?
for
Why
my
is it
kale.
called coffee cake?
I love kale.
Why did they call it this name?
You see, I think IKEA is a Swedish shop. It's like a Scandinavian thing.
Swedish.
So like this is not English.
Guys, comment down below if you talk in Swedish.
My girl said comment down below if you talk in Swedish. But yeah, if you're Swedish or you can understand Swedish, just let us know in the comments below, innit? Down.
Okay, the next one is a big.
To be honest, I don't think we need to show them this, but since you've already brought it out, it's a massive one. You know, I don't really know where I'm going with this mud thing, yeah? But whenever I'm feeling like making couscous, this is going to be, this is going to be my mixing pot. This is massive, man. This is actually, but this was like the only one they had, like, that caught my eye, basically. But it's so big, like, it's a bit too big.
Why is this in here?
And oh, this is my favorite purchase. I love it. My favorite kitchen purpose is actually my pot. Like, this pot is absolutely cute. It's transparent, so you can see what you're cooking. And it's basically the one I have at home. But the one I have at home is like bigger. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna remind me of home, so I'm buying it. So that's the only reason why.
You got even a bigger spoon.
Yeah, we got a bigger spoon. So basically, this is obviously to mix my pasta. And like the thing about me is that when I try to, like, you know when you're trying to taste if the pasta is ready.
Yeah.
But there's water all over the place. I got these ones that actually have holes in them.
So you can remove the water.
And then I can taste my pasta and see if it's ready. So yeah, I think it has makeup on it now.
And see if it's grown so nice.
Yeah. But yeah, that's so, I don't think we need to show them the rest.
Why?
Because it's just so much.
Just show them.
Disclaimer, guys, I'm not even actually finished with uni shopping, but just thought I'll show you what I bought so far. Oh yeah, yes. I think my cutlery is not my cutlery, but like, wait.
This is our favorite bowl.
Oh yeah, but now I forgot what I was saying. Okay, continue.
Cutlery thingy.
Yeah, so basically I bought this cereal bowl, whatever, and it is absolutely beautiful. Like, I absolutely
they cannot see the blue part.
And it is so nice. They can, look.
I can't even see it.
You can, don't worry, you see it in the video. It's so pretty, so I bought it, and then I bought another one, but this is going to be for my fruits in the morning.
Yeah, so you have
actually sounds quite healthy. I don't even know.
I have 2 fruits.
And then I bought a few plates. But my most interesting plate actually is this one.
The black one.
It's not black, it's purple. Ah, it's a purple!
Yeah, purple, my favorite color.
I usually eat with white plates. So when I saw a purple one, I was like, you're coming my way. And by the way, this is from IKEA as well. But yeah, is this all I bought so far?
No.
Yeah, it is. And then I bought some mugs.
Mugs, show the mugs.
This is like it's a very cute mug because it's like tiny and it has like a very interesting shape, so I bought it for that reason. Same from IKEA if you're interested. Now that I look at it, it's quite small, so it's gonna be for coffee rather than tea. I'm gonna get a bigger one for my tea because I'm a tea fanatic. I love my tea.
Yeah, so you always have tea.
Yeah, I need a bigger mug for my tea, but obviously this is gonna be for my coffee. Yeah. Or hot chocolate. I'm not a really big fan of hot chocolate though.
I love
prettiest ones. The pillows. These are let me show them. These are some very fluffy pillows, and these are from Primark and yeah. They weren't that expensive actually.
I wanna go to Primark
and they're so fluffy and so nice.
Well,
so if you're looking if you're looking for very nice pillows, I would definitely recommend checking Primark out before you go to Debenhams or wherever, because I actually went into Debenhams yesterday and the one pillow cost £30. I said
one.
That's what happening.
One.
But yeah, make sure you actually check out like the cheaper like shops, for example like Primark, before you get your pillows.
Oh my gosh, this pillow so
their pillows are really nice and like they feel very nice and they're cheaper. They're definitely not £30.
They're £3.
No, this one was
Four.
like £9, I think.
I was about to say 10.
So that's very cheap in terms. So that's it for this video, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Favor was here today, and I really hope you liked her, and she will probably be in many other videos. So make sure you click that subscribe button to see her again. Show your face there. Oh my days. And yeah, make sure you click that subscribe button, like, say the
like it and subscribe it, and I hope you watched this whole video, but it's already at end, so why are you watching the whole video?
And make sure you comment if you bought the same things, or if you speak Swedish, as she said before. And what else is there to say? Nothing else. Share the video with your friends.
Oh, I know something. Click the bell button so you know when any videos come out.
Listen to the real G. Make sure you click this post notification button, yeah, so you're the first one to actually watch the videos, and you don't miss anything going on in my life, and you don't miss little Favor here. You will be seeing her more, so don't worry. And this was it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm gonna go more unit shopping. I'm not gonna lie, I just realized I don't have that much.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.